Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set or set up the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon. Once you find the alarms icon, not alarm, my bad, tap on it to enter the alarms menu. Let's wake up the screen and tap on the icon. And here, as you can see, we have this big add alarm button. You can tap on it. Okay, and once you tap on the add alarm, you will see the hours and minutes. Basically, you need to set the time on which the alarm will go off. And you can do it by swiping up and down on hour and minutes. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. So we can tap on the check mark, and here we can select on which days the alarm should repeat. For example, if you select Monday and let's say Friday, the alarm will repeat on every Monday and Friday. If you select every day, it will repeat on every day, and if you select none of the days, it will go off once and it won't repeat. So select the options you like, then tap on the check mark. And here we have our alarm at 10:30 a.m. and it will repeat on every Monday and Friday. And of course we can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch. You can add another alarm if you like to, because you can have multiple alarms. You can also tap on the alarm to edit it, and you can change the time, change the repeat option, and you can also remove it. So if you tap on the bin icon, you can tap on the check mark to remove the alarm. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set or set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.